Hi, I'm Angie Tourani. I'm an advanced body talk practitioner, MindScape instructor, and certified body talk instructor. I came across MindScape seminar on my journey of learning body talk, and this seminar was transformational in my life. It changed and improved and enhanced so many aspects of my life. My professional life, academics, training as an instructor, as well as my personal life. I hugely use this seminar when I'm treating and dealing with my clients, and it gives that depth of connecting with them at a deeper level. So to sum it up, the seminar has been so rewarding in my life, and it has brought such a transformation that my purpose of teaching this seminar is a way of giving back to the society this amazing tool to enhance the power of the mind and use it in all aspects of your life. Now, we all have heard about neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is basically rewiring the brain. So the brain has got ability to rewire itself once it is given an appropriate condition. And it could rewire itself for various different aspects of your life, such as healing yourself, eliminating your negative belief system, enhancing your abilities in various different aspects of your life. So MindScape seminar puts you in the driver's seat to basically get you towards your goals and to achieve your purpose in various aspects of your life. Now, generally speaking, we have got too many thoughts going on all the time. Our brain is racing at a very high speed with all the stimulus and information. And with all that stress around us, our brain gets into this sympathetic nervous system, which is basically your brain's ability for fight and flight and stress mode. Now, once you learn to relax your mind into the slower brain waves, that's what this MindScape seminar is about, then it helps you to get into this parasympathetic nervous system, which is basically the relaxed state of nervous system, which is used for repair, growth, and regeneration of the body. So first key benefit at the start of the seminar is how to bypass your stress and get into this totally relaxed state of mind that you would access while you're in the meditation, or while you are basically, if you've seen sports athletes playing sports and they're totally into that zone where their creativity and their performance is enhanced. So you're getting into that state, relaxed state of mind that you can use it in all different aspects of your life. And that's the key one, because stress is the biggest factor for all health crises, for all conflicts in life. That's not it. So that is just the first aspect of the seminar, to access that totally relaxed state of mind and bypass the stress. Then once you're in that relaxed state of mind, you're going to build up and create a virtual workshop in your mind, which is basically a workplace where you're going to have different tools to experiment and work with. So you'll be having a place to work from, to study, to practice your sports, your skills, to resolve conflicts, and various different aspects of life that you need to enhance. So by learning this MindScape workshop, the first factor is total relaxation, enhanced intuition, creativity, and your mind has got amazing ability to manifest and create anything that you want in your life. And the science has shown that mind doesn't know the difference between the imagination, visualizing, and reality. So by using these simple tools, you're able to manifest your goals, enhance your skills in various and your performance in various different aspects of your life. So each time when you're using this workshop, MindScape workshop, you are changing the way your mind thinks. You are going through this neuroplasticity, forming these new neural pathways and changing your experience of life. This seminar is for students who want to learn and enhance their focus, concentration, memory, performance. This could be learned by sports people who are interested in excelling different skills of their sports and to excel their performance, to function from the zone, to enhance their coordination and skills. As well as the seminar could be learned by people who are looking for tools to release all that stress and function from a relaxed state of mind. The seminar is for people who are in creative fields such as artists or any creative aspects of your life. So literally, from your personal growth to resolving conflicts to all different aspects of your life. So if you're ready to take your practice, it could be your health practice, your business, your profession, your sport, or your personal life to a totally focused space and achieve your goals and get to a higher level of performance, this seminar is for you. So go ahead and register for the seminar. Thank you.